Hello and welcome to another update video on Bitcoin. First of all, I wish you a great start to the weekend. We might have a quiet weekend. I haven't even seen the volatility I wanted to see today, or I expected actually, because of the triple witching. It was a rather quiet day, but the price is still moving in the price channel. You can see that here. Yeah, this blue price channel is actually still holding. And so far, I think it's been playing out nicely. I mean, the market moved up from the September low, down here, when the price hit this structural support level that formed in July. It was confirmed again here end of August, early September, and the price moved up into resistance. I mean, it really can't go much better from a forecast point of view. There were several levels in that area that, pointed towards the price moving there. And then the market moved even to the 61.8 retracement level, one of the most common and relevant Fibonacci retracements and resistance levels. In this case, $117,450. And we've seen a rejection candle. Okay. Now, if Bitcoin really rolls over, and if Bitcoin forms this C wave to the downside, and we do not follow the white scenario for higher prices in a very direct fashion, then first of all, it's important to understand that this might not even be bearish, because this could be a wave 2 in the blue scenario. So what might appear bearish in the short term could actually be more bullish, right? Because once the wave 2 has finished, we can watch for higher prices. It will depend on the structure of the pullback, and it will depend on how we react to this support area there. But a wave 2 is typically a preparation for a third wave, and the third wave is normally the most aggressive rally in a trend. It's just something to be aware of. Also, we haven't even seen a break below critical support levels, and we are tracking these support levels on the smaller time frame. But I have to remind you, this move up, it does look somewhat corrective. It's not really impulsive. It at the moment looks like a textbook B wave, which is even full. So it completed what it needed to complete. So let's go to the shorter time frame. But we're still holding. We're still holding in the price channel. So here, what you can see from the September low down here, you can actually see the two scenarios we're tracking. The orange scenario shows you this B wave. The price reached the resistance area and the target area and really completed everything it needed to complete. Did not push to 118,500. I mean, it could have done that. But we've seen a pullback towards the lower boundary line of the trend channel, which means, however, nothing is broken. We haven't even formed the lower low. So you see that it's still a series of higher highs and higher lows. But obviously some downside pressure is coming in, even though the stocks indices pushed higher. So for example, the Nasdaq pushed to a new high. The ES futures chart, the S&P futures, pushed to a new all-time high even. But Bitcoin pulled back a bit. So we don't really see that perfect correlation that often people assume. But the price pushed back here. And again, you see the technical levels are playing out. I mean, the price got rejected from resistance and from the 61.8 retracement. I mean, I have to say, a rejection in this area isn't really surprising. I also have to say, it's not even a strong rejection. It's not really an impulsive move down. We haven't broken anything. So we could technically still see further upside. And I added earlier today this micro support area that you see here on the chart. It's between 113,580 and $115,830, and this is the first support zone to watch, against which we can watch for higher prices. Because if this really is the wave 4 in the white scenario, which could eventually take us to all-time highs, then ideally, to keep this as an impulse to the upside, it should hold the 50% retracement. Any break below, and it could get a bit problematic for the bulls. That gives you all the levels and parameters you need to watch actually for the weekend. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, make sure to yeah, check out our channel membership. On Sunday again, we're going to run our member live stream. There are also additional benefits, especially as a gold member. You can access our Discord server, and also, check out our X channel for additional charts, updates, news. You can find the link also in the description and in the comment section. Thanks so much. Have a great weekend. Bye bye.